Hello everyone, welcome to the Student Presentation Week 2025. I am Mahima Ravindra Nikam, the student of B Pharmacy 5th semester from PR Patil Institute of Pharmacy, Talegaon. Today I am giving presentation of the pharmacognostic study of Google. So, the contents are synonyms, biological source, family, geographical source, cultivation and collection, morphological characters, chemical constituent, chemical taste, adulterants, uses, and marketed products. Introduction. Google falls under the class of resins. It was first isolated in the year 1996 from Google plant Commiphora victi, introduced by Indian medical researcher G.V. Satyavati. Google. The synonyms are Centennium, gum Google commiphora. Biological source. Google is the oleogum resin obtained by making deep incision at the basal part of the stem bark of Commiphora victi. Family Burseraceae. Geographical source. Google plant is native to Africa, especially in all zones like Ethiopia, Somalia, Kenya, Zaire, Zimbabwe. It grows widely in various subtropical regions. In India, Google plant is mainly found in Rajasthan and Gujarat. Then, cultivation and collection of Google plant. It grows up to 2 to 3 meters as a woody tree. Branches on pale yellow to browny stem. The Google is cultivated by propagating stem cuttings or seeds. The grown in well drained rocky soil in reed regions, requiring 5 to 7 years for maturity before tapping begins in winter, November to January. To collect the Google, deep incisions are made in the main stem, from which oleogum resins oozes and hardens. This sticky substance is then scraped off, manually collected in earthen cups, then cleaned by hand picking and sieving to remove foreign matter before grading and scales. Next is morphological characteristics of Google plant. Color. Typical brown or pale yellow. Fresh Google can be yellow or transparent golden. Odor. Agreeable, balsamic or aromatic. Taste. Characteristic bitter. Shape. Rounded or irregular masses of agglomerated tears. Tears are somewhat transparent with waxy surface. Nature. Google is a gummy and fractured surface. Solubility. Google is soluble in alcohol. Then the chemical constituents of Google. The major constituent of Google is Googlesterone E and Z, resins, gums, volatile oils, and minor constituents are oleogum resins, which is complex mixture of various classes of chemical compounds such as lignans, lipids, diterpene, steroids, and other. Other constituents like Googlesterol 1, 2, 3 and mucolol isolated from the drug quercetin, linoleic acid, oleic acid, stearic acid, palmitic acid and sigmasterol are other compounds. Upon steam distillation, Google yields volatile oils which contains mycelium and caryophyllene. Pentosane, pentose and furfural are the constituent of purified gum. These are the structure of chemical constituent of Google. First one is Z-Googlesterone and second one is E-Googlesterone. Then the chemical taste for Google. First one, powder plus acetic anhydride dissolved in a dry test tube, then add concentrated hydrochloric acid in it, then it gives purple color. Second, alcoholic solution is acidic to litmus paper. Third, powder plus light petroleum dissolve and filter, then filtrate, add in dilute copper acetate. After that, petroleum layer shows emerald green color. Then next is adulterants. Commiphora species like C. absinica, Roxburgh, C. mulmul and Boswellia serrata. Then next one is uses of Google. First one is it is used as anti-inflammation, anti-rheumatic, hypolipidemic and hypocholestemic drug. Second, its lower density lipoproteins and support weight contracts Google developed from Commiphora mucul. It is an anti-hyperlipidemic product. Third, capsule use. 4. Fat burning agent. 5. Increase the blood cell count. 6. strengthening the digestive system, improve sexual ability. Marketed products are Shuddha Gugul and Triphala Gugul. Acknowledgement. I express my heartfelt gratitude to Dr. Nilesh Banarase sir, our esteemed guide, for his continuous support, motivation, and valuable guidance. I am thankful to respected principal sir, director sir, and all faculty members, non-teaching staff for their encouragement and assistance. Special thanks to my friends and classmates for their cooperation and support. Thank you. Have a nice day.